No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I give up. No, 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 I give up.
Hi friends, so this is Darshit Shah in front of you, and today I'm going to talk about niche clarity. As a trainer or a coach, if you want to become successful in this training and coaching industry, then you must identify and clear your niche. It is said that riches are in niches. If you clear your niche, that would be your first step towards getting successful into training and coaching business. Now in this video, I'm going to show you some steps by which how can you get your niche clarity. So first thing is you need to ask a question to yourself that what problem am I going to solve in the world? What is something in this world which I will contribute and by which that particular problem in the world would be solved? That's a number one question you need to ask yourself. Number two, you need to ask yourself that how are you going to solve that problem? First, identify the problem that you want to solve and then find a methodology, find a way by which you are going to solve that problem. Now let me give you some insights here. When you are identifying a problem, you need to consider two things. Number one, many people are affected by it. Number two, people are ready to pay for it. And right now, there are three most important macro niches which fulfills this criteria, where people are ready to learn and at the same time, people are ready to pay as well. So the need is there, the gap is there, and at the same time, if you can provide good value to the people, people are ready to pay the right price for it. So what are those three macro niches? First is the wealth. If you can teach people how to build wealth, how to earn money, if you can upskill them, help them in a way by which they can accumulate more wealth, that's a huge market for there and people are ready to pay for it. Number two is health. So people nowadays, because of the kind of complex life that we are living, there are lots of health issues that people are facing. So if you can help people come out of that, there is a big market there is a big need there, and people are ready to pay for that as well. And number three is relationships. Again, because of the complexity of life, most of our relationships, if you see, are not as good as used to be. There is a lot of friction between many important relationships in our life. So if you can help people where they can get their relationship at their best or fix up any relationship issues, there is a big need there and people are ready to pay for that as well. So these are the top three macro niches which you can think about, and on basis of these macro niches, you can find your one micro niche. After that, you need to find a unique positioning for yourself. Do not worry if there are many people in the same niche that you have selected for yourself. Sometimes I hear trainer and coaches telling that I have to identify a niche where no one is there. No, that's a myth, my dear friends. Even if you have so many people, so many trainers and coaches in the same niche, you can choose the same niche, but find a unique positioning yourself. That is what will separate you from others. In fact, I always say that if there are many people in the same niche, that means that niche has a good demand. So it's very good to select that niche, but you need to find your unique positioning. So my dear friends, if you follow these steps, you can get clear about your niche, and once you get clear about your niche, sky is the limit here into this training and coaching industry. So my dear friends, I have something really amazing coming up for you. If you are keen to learn on your niche clarity and other aspects to get your training and coaching business running at a very fast pace and to take you to the next level just in 90 days, then I have a very special webinar coming up. So there is a link given below this video. Just click on that link, register yourself for that webinar. That webinar is absolutely free, but in that webinar, I'm going to share few secrets by which, as a trainer and a coach, how can you take your business to the next level just in 90 days. So if you are keen to learn on that, register yourself by the link below in the webinar, and I can assure you something really amazing is going to come your way. So if you have got some value from this video, I would request you to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, even hit the bell icon, and also share it with maximum trainers and coaches so that maximum people can get benefit from this. So until we meet next time, this is Darshit Shah signing off. All the best and see you soon.